Dear students, welcome to PUC second year biology class. We are studying the Mendelian disorders. In that, genetic disorders we have studied. In the earlier classes, we have studied genetic disorders, the disorders that are coming from the default of the genes we have studied. And today, we will see some of the disorders pertaining to the chromosomes, chromosomal disorders we say. There are some of the chromosomal disorders which have been identified by the Mendel, and those chromosomal disorders you'll see in that the disorders caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes is called chromosomal disorder. I repeat once again, chromosomal disorder means the disorders caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes is called chromosomal disorder. There are different types of chromosomal disorders. In that, one of the chromosomal disorder is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is one of the chromosomal disorder which causes. It is the gain or loss of chromosome due to failure of segregation of chromatids during the cell division. This aneuploidy happens. It is because of the gaining or losing the chromosome due to failure of the segregation, separation, making into separate during the chromatid, by the chromatid during the cell division. So this happens during the cell division. When the chromosomes are lost, that case chromosome may be lost or extra chromosome may be gained, and it is called aneuploidy. It includes nullisomy. A chromosome pair is lost from diploid set. One chromosome is being lost from the diploid set, that is called nullisomy. Another one is monosomy. A chromosome is lost from diploid set. When a chromosome is being lost from the diploid set, then it is called the monosomy. Trisomy. A chromosome is added to diploid set. One chromosome is being added to the diploid set. It becomes 3. Therefore, it is called trisomy. Tetrasomy. When tetra means 4. When 2 chromosomes are added to the diploid set, then it is called tetrasomy. Trisomy, tetrasomy, monosomy. Monosomy, chromosome is lost from diploid set. One chromosome is lost, but 2 chromosomes chromosome is added, then it is trisomy. 2 chromosomes are added, then it is called tetrasomy. Like that, there are different types of are there in the aneuploidy. And another one is polyploidy. It is an increase in a whole set of chromosomes due to failure of cytokinins after telophase stage of the cell division. Karyokinasis, cytokinasis we say. Cytokinasis means it is the division of the cytoplasm during the cell division is called cytokinasis. It is the increase in the whole set of chromosome due to the failure of cytokinins after telophase stage of the cell division. After the cytokinins means it is the division of the cytoplasm. During that time the chromosomes get segregated, resulting in the formation of 2 chromosomes, 2 cells. But here, because of the failure of the separation of the cytoplasm, what happens? The merging of the chromosomes takes place. That results polyploidy. This is often seen in the plants and very rare in the human being. You can see in the diagram, which is said, parent species, which is diploid, undergoes meiotic error. Unreduced gametes are taken off, and when it is self-fertilized, the zygote that forms is tetraploid. Tetraploid. This is one of the disorder, what we say chromosomal, called polyploidy. Another type of disorder, this is very important in the examination that is being asked, Down syndrome. Mongolism, it is also called Mongolism. Person will be seen like that only. So the Mongolism. One of the chromosomal disorder is called Down syndrome. It is the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21, trisomy of 21. Genetic constitution is 45A plus XX or 45A plus XY. Here, actually it should be 44. But here one chromosome is being increased. Addition of chromosome number is taking place, has taken place, and in such cases there will be 47 chromosomes present. So when 47 chromosomes are being present, the type of disorder is called Down syndrome. What are the characters if the person is having the 47, one extra chromosome is added? What will be the character? The features: short stature with small round head will be appearing, furrowed tongue, partially open mouth. Partially open mouth we can see. Palm is broad with characteristic palm crease, retarded physical, psychomotor, mental development. The person will be retarded with these. Physical development will not be there normally. Psychomotor development will not be there compared to the normal person, and mental development will not be there as we compare to the normal person. So these are some of the characters. Another one is congenital heart disease is going to occur. These are some of the features of the Down syndromes which we can see. Down syndrome causes because of the addition of one extra chromosome. It is occurring because of the addition of one extra chromosome. And another one is Klinefelter syndrome. Another type of disorder that we have is Klinefelter syndrome. It is presence of an addition copy of X chromosome. There it was at the autosome level. Here it is addition of the chromosome at the allosome level. At the sex chromosome, it is the presence of an additional copy of X chromosome in male. Genetic constitution is 44A, that is autosome, which are responsible for the normal growth and development of the human being. Along with that, two sex chromosomes should be present, but here one extra chromosome is present, XXY. So here also same chromosomes, 47 are there, one additional chromosome is there, but the difference between the Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome is, in the Down syndrome, autosome addition is there, but in the Klinefelter syndrome, allosome addition is there. One of the chromosome is being added at the allosome. That results Klinefelter syndrome. And what are the characters of that? What are the characters which we see? Some of the characters which we are going to see is overall masculine development. Overall masculine development, however, feminine development of the breast, example, gynecomastia is also expressed. Overall masculine development occurs, however, feminine development is there, also being expressed in these cases. So they are sterile, they cannot reproduce. These people will be, we can see third gender, we can say these are the people, what we call them as third gender. So who will be moving in the train for getting the money. So these are third gender. You can see these people are sterile and they are mentally retarded. Sometimes they will be mentally retarded. These are some of the features. Overall masculine development will be there because here both XX and Y chromosome is there, but masculine development, male development is there. However, female, because two X are there, therefore female also develop, female characters will also develop, are also being expressed in this case. But these people are sterile, they cannot be reproduced, but and also they are mentally retarded. This is one of the disorder. And another type of disorder that we have is Turner syndrome. Another chromosomal disorder we have is Turner syndrome. This is the absence of one X chromosome in the female. It is resulting in the absence of chromosome. At the sex chromosomes only one of the chromosome is absent, and genetic constitution is 44A, what we say them as autosome, and X, one chromosome is there and one is absent. So in such cases, one chromosome is missing, the person will be having 45 chromosomes. Characters are, the features are, the person will be sterile, ovaries are rudimentary, lack of other secondary characters, dwarfism, and these are mentally retarded. Like this, some of the futures of these people will be there. And again, these people are also sterile. With this, we have completed the disorder called chromosomal disorder and genetic disorder. Like that, some of the disorders are there. With this, we have completed the lesson called principles of inheritance and of variation. Further, we'll see the next chapter in the coming classes. So